Hey there guys, how's it going? And today we are going to talk about the Hotshot No Mess Fogger. Okay, now I bought a house about a while back ago. When I bought my house, I had a real problem with crickets. Okay, and I live in kind of a rural area, I'll say. It was everywhere. I mean, there were crickets all over the place. I mean, the little baby ones, you see the big ones, little ones all over the place. It was bad. It was really, really something. And when you have a cricket problem, it's almost worse than having a roach problem, which is very common. Because crickets, they make noise and they'll keep you up at night and they'll get real deep in the walls and you can't get to them and they'll just be chirping all night. It's crazy. So I had to do something. And what I did was I went and got this Hotshot fogger and it did the job. I didn't think they actually had a product out there that actually killed crickets because I didn't think anybody really had a cricket problem. I mean, you hear about roaches, you hear about ants and things like that, but crickets, that's usually an outdoor type of situation. But no, yes, I had that problem. And so I got this, I did it, and it really did the job. Boy, I saw dead crickets everywhere. I had to do a cleanup. Get rid of all the dead crickets that were laying around. But I got rid of them, and actually I did not see a cricket in my place for a long time. A really long time. I'm talking like a few months. It was really something. It's like I don't know, it just gets into all the cracks and everything and stays there. Actually, according to the brand, it says that it works up to 6 weeks. It actually went longer than that for me. I was very, very happy with it. It really did the job. It kills all kind of crawling insects. Up to it even kills flies. Kills roaches, kills fleas. Fleas is a big problem sometimes. Spiders, and a lot more. And crickets, of course. It really, really did the job. I was very, very happy with it. Well, it comes in a box like this. Well, I don't know if it always comes in a box like this, but this is the kind I got. Has a 3-container box, and the containers, the cans look like this. They're fairly small. They're really kind of little, and this one little bottle will do about 2,000 cubic feet room space. That's a lot. It really gets everywhere, and it won't ruin your drapes or your upholstery or anything. But when you use it, you got to make sure you cover up all your dishes and things like that you eat out of, and you cover up those. But you want to open up your cabinets and everything to get the fog in there, because the crickets will get in there and hide and have babies. So you want to get in there too, but just make sure you cover up all your plates and everything. Also, you shouldn't have any pets around, your dogs or cats or hamsters or whatever, even your fish. You just shouldn't have them exposed to this for a while. You just let this go, let it shoot out, and then you leave the house for just like a few hours, and come back. What I did was I I did it right before I went to work. And when I got home that evening, it was done. That was all there was to it. It was a done deal, and it really worked well. Like I said, there's 3 in this pack, and you can put one in each area that you have an issue with. So it really does work well. It does the job. So it's a dry fog, so it's not going to be wet or leave anything sticky, shiny, or like any kind of oily residue on anything. You know, it's going to just do what it's supposed to do, and it's fabulous. It really works really well. I mean, the fact is there's no oil. That's great. Yeah, a dry fog, that's exactly what you need. And there's no lingering odor. It just has no odor at all, and it's really, really like, it just really, you don't smell anything. I mean, it's really good. I really have no problem with it. It did the job. Okay, well, that's it. This is the Hot Shot No Mess Fogger. I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.